I need to find out where the oil pickup points are, scavenge pumps, where they suck from. Not having the full manual on this particular helicopter engine, I need to take this back cover off, circular one here, and see what's behind. Presume this is an oil drain, not sure. Anyway, here we go. Very nice. Various pumps, and here is the drive to the tachometer device, and at the top there, the gear, spur gear there, is for the starter motor, which is there. Well, it would appear that the round cover is actually the bottom of the oil sump, and that the engine is configured to only run in the horizontal position. My plan is to run it horizontally, but have the option to swing the engine into the vertical position so I can gain access to all of the ancillaries, etc. underneath.